Hello everyone, I'm Neha Goel and my subject's name is Childhood and Growing Up. The topic for today is Stages of Development. Now, human development is the process of growing to maturity. Following are the main stages of development of a child. The first stage is infancy, which goes on from 0 to 2 years of age. The second stage is early childhood, which goes on from 3 to 6 years of age. The third stage is later childhood, which is goes on from 7 to 12 years of age. The fourth stage is adolescence, which goes on from 13 to 18 years of age. And the fifth stage is adulthood, which is 18 years onwards. So today we will be discussing about the first stage of development, that is infancy. Infancy goes on from 0 to 2 years of age of a child. Now, key developments of a child in the infancy stage are the firstly the physical developments that take place in an infant during 0 to 2 years of age. There is a rapid growth and development in the infant. This is a period of high growth, high speed growth and development. The weight of the brain weight increases rapidly. Approximately 75% of adult weight of brain is achieved by the end of 2 years. Approximately 75% brain development is done by the end of 2 years. The body weight of the child becomes almost 3 times the birth weight by the end of the first year. The body weight also increases 3 times by the end of the first year as compared to the birth weight. So the physical development in the infancy stage is very rapid and fast. Second aspect of development in an infant is motor development. So in the infancy stage, coordination and control of body movements is seen in the infant. The child starts to grasp objects around 4 months of age. The child starts sitting at 6 months, crawls around 7 months, and stands with support around 9 months. Begins to walk slowly without support at the end of first year, and child starts to run in the second year of life. So in this stage, the coordination and control between different body movements is seen. The child can start picking up objects, grasping objects at 4 months age, start sitting, then crawling, and then standing with support at 9 months, and then walking, moving on to running. So these are some of the key features of motor development in this stage. Now, next is the cognitive aspect of cognitive development that takes place in an infant. At birth, only basic reflexes like sucking, grasping, etc. are seen in a child. At around 7 to 8 months of age, object permanence develops in a child, which means that the child is able to understand that if some object is hidden out of sight, is still present. So this ability develops at around 8 months of age. By the end of 2 years, the actions of a child become goal oriented and not just random. Initially, the actions are random, but by the end of 2 years, the child begins to make goal oriented actions. In this stage, the time concept is not developed. It is a period of make believe and fantasy. Now, next aspect is emotional development. At this stage, the child is very egocentric or self centered and is selfish. The child does not care about the needs or the convenience of others, but is only uh, concerned about his own needs. Emotions at this stage are intense, frequent, and unstable. Emotions like anger, fear, love, affection, etc., are seen in a child. Next is the social development or the social aspect of development of the child. At this stage, child is totally dependent on parents or caretaker for taking care of the child. As the child grows, the social skills are developed only within the family. Initially, the child is totally dependent on mother, and then starts to understand or form a bond with the father also. At the end of the 2 years, the child becomes familiar with the extended family. But the social skills are developed only within the family. Otherwise, the child is unsocial and is involved in solitary play. Thank you.